Église Saint-Paul Saint-Louis is a prominent church located in the heart of Paris, France. It is an architectural masterpiece known for its rich history, stunning design, and cultural significance. With a history spanning several centuries, the church has witnessed significant events and undergone numerous transformations, making it an important landmark in the city. In this essay, I will delve into the history, architecture, artwork, and cultural importance of Église Saint-Paul Saint-Louis. The history of Église Saint-Paul Saint-Louis dates back to the 17th century. The church was commissioned by King Louis XIII and his mother, Queen Anne of Austria, as a tribute to the Jesuits. It was designed by the renowned Jesuit architect Étienne Martelange and construction began in 1627. However, due to financial constraints and the outbreak of the 30 Years' War, the construction faced significant delays. It was not until 1641 that the church was finally completed and consecrated. Architecturally, Église Saint-Paul Saint-Louis is a remarkable example of Baroque and classical styles. The facade of the church features a harmonious combination of columns, arches, and ornamental details. The entrance is adorned with intricately carved sculptures and reliefs depicting religious scenes and figures. The overall design reflects the grandeur and elegance of the era, showcasing the artistic prowess of the period. One of the most striking features of the church is its dome, which rises majestically above the nave. The dome is adorned with beautiful frescoes depicting biblical scenes and heavenly motifs, creating a sense of awe and reverence. The interior of the church is equally impressive, with its soaring vaulted ceilings, elaborate marble altars, and exquisite stained glass windows. The use of light and space in the design adds to the overall ambience of tranquility and spirituality. Throughout its history, Église Saint-Paul Saint-Louis has witnessed significant events and played a crucial role in the religious and cultural life of Paris. During the French Revolution, the church was closed and converted into a temple of reason, reflecting the anti-religious sentiment of the time. It was later restored to its original purpose in 1802 after the Concordat was signed between Napoleon Bonaparte and the papacy. The church became a symbol of religious freedom and resilience, standing as a testament to the endurance of faith in challenging times. The interior of Église Saint-Paul Saint-Louis is adorned with numerous artworks of great historical and artistic value. One of the most notable works is the High Altar, created by François de Brett in the 19th century. The altar features intricate sculptures and reliefs depicting scenes from the life of St. Paul and St. Louis, the patron saints of the church. The chapels within the church also house beautiful altarpieces and statues by renowned artists of the time, adding to the artistic significance of the place. The church is also known for its magnificent organ, which was built by the esteemed organ builder Aristide Cavaillé-Coll in the 19th century. The organ boasts an impressive array of pipes and intricate mechanisms, producing rich and resonant tones that enhance the musical experience during religious services and concerts held in the church. The organ has attracted many renowned musicians and composers over the years, solidifying the church's reputation as a hub of musical excellence. Église Saint-Paul Saint-Louis has been a place of worship, solace, and inspiration for both locals and visitors. Its serene atmosphere and timeless beauty offer a sanctuary from the bustling city streets. The church also hosts a variety of religious ceremonies, including baptisms, weddings, and funerals, marking important milestones in the lives of Parisians. In addition to its religious significance, Église Saint-Paul Saint-Louis holds cultural importance as well. Its central location in the Marais district of Paris, a historically vibrant and artistic neighborhood, has made it a hub for artistic and intellectual gatherings. The church has hosted concerts, lectures, and exhibitions, fostering creativity and intellectual exchange among the community. Its association with renowned figures such as French philosopher and mathematician Blaise Pascal has further cemented its place in history as a center of intellectual discourse. Over the centuries, Église Saint-Paul Saint-Louis has undergone several renovations and restorations to preserve its architectural integrity and historical value. These efforts have ensured that future generations can continue to appreciate the church's grandeur and cultural significance. Église Saint-Paul Saint-Louis is a remarkable church in Paris that exemplifies the rich history, stunning architecture, and cultural significance of the city. From its Baroque and classical design to its exquisite artworks and musical heritage, the church stands as a testament to the enduring power of faith and artistic expression. Its contribution to the religious and cultural life of Paris cannot be overstated, and it remains an iconic symbol of the city's historical and architectural heritage.